Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're gonna have to bear with me today because my mic died yet again. So we're doing a voiceover, but today we are doing some savings challenges and gonna start a new one in our Build-A-Bag savings planner from Baddies and Budgets. And we're gonna start our 20 envelope challenge as well from Baddies and Budgets. It's a little more attainable for low income budgeters than the 100 envelope is. So first we're going to start with doing our 52-week challenge right there. And we're doing numbers 18 and 24 today for a total of $42 added to it. And here you'll see me fighting with my iPad to color in my squares. And this is me looking for my numbers. There's 18. And then we'll get to 24 as soon as I can see it. And there it is. Voiceovers are weird because I don't remember anything I was saying in the moment of making my video, and now I have to figure that out and kind of talk over it. So I'm not sure how people do that, to be 100% honest, because I feel like I have a lot of dead spots in this. Well, there's our 42, so our 20, 40, and 2 to add to everything. We're going to have to start doing some bigger numbers now. I've run out of all the small ones. And we're going to count it. So we got 100, 50, 200. Let me set those down. 2, 4, 6, 8, 100. 10, 20, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have $339 so far in our 52-week challenge. When it's 100% done, can get to that, it will be $1,500 total. So we got a little ways to go. And then we're going to do our puzzle piece challenge, which I believe is getting $5 put in there. I also like this savings challenge because it works with low income, and like I said with the other one, it's a little more attainable because they're all smaller denominations for the most part. So here I am coloring in my 5 spot. And then we're going to add it to the rest of our money. And that one you'll have 500 when you're done. And we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 55 so far. So hopefully soon I'll be able to get a new camera and mic, and this won't have to happen. But this is where I was telling you that the highest number on there is 150. And then you have a couple 30 and 25, but it's mostly $5, $10, and $15. So it's pretty attainable for people who, like myself, are lower income or have higher bills and debts or whatever, but still want to try to save. And now we're going to get to our challenge. We're starting in our Build-A-Bag savings planner, and it's called Drinking F-Boys Tears. And when you finish all of those, it is a total of $150. So again, small little quick attainable savings challenge that is pretty easy to reach. And you do it on your own time. There's no time limit to any of them. And this one we're putting in a 10 to start it out. And I know at some point I was talking about on here that I was just going to color in the straw. Because if I colored in the whole, like, juice box, I feel like I wouldn't be able to do it again if I wanted to do this challenge again. But I might, like, do stripes across it so I can see which ones I did better. And then at the end of doing however many, I have, like, rainbow juice boxes. I don't know. I'll figure it out eventually. Depends on how many times I feel like I want to do that challenge. Or I just get her digital one and I could do it that way too. Because she does have a digital version of that book. So you can do that. And if it's like her digital planner, you can print them out. They won't be as fancy, but you can. And this is the 20 envelope challenge from her. And we've got $6 in ones and then 2 5s to stuff to get us started. This was me trying to decide which ones I wanted to do. So we did a 1, of course, since we had ones. And then I was trying to decide if I wanted to take the sticky thing off and like seal them shut. But I didn't know if that would be like super sticky and it would rip it. So I just chose to tuck the top of it into it. It keeps the money in there, and then they're definitely reusable for however many times I would like to do the challenge. And you can stuff like the 20. You can put several 20s in there. It's up to you. It's what you want to stuff. You can split it, like 1 week put a 10 in there, next week put another 10, and then you have your 20 envelope finished. So then our 2 5s is going to go in our $10 envelope. Get a little bit bigger of a number out of the way while we can. Because I do have some vacation, a couple days of vacation coming up again. So my checks will be a little bit smaller because of that, which it's my decision, I guess. I just got to deal with them. But I got a big check coming up because I have so many hours. I think by the end of this week, I will have like 170 hours over the last 2 weeks. It's crazy, but the government's definitely going to get their money's worth as well. So this is me trying to decide what to do with my last $5. So I just split it between the 3 and the 2. Get 4 envelopes done today with it instead of like 1 or 2. So we're going to stuff our 3. I don't know why I folded them apart like individually like that instead of all together, but I don't know why I do a lot of things. Now we're stuffing our 2. And close our little lid. So we got 4 of our envelopes for a total of $16 stuffed today in our 20 envelope challenge. So I'm thinking probably do, I'd say 1 or 2 every time I get paid, unless I have enough to do more than that. So it'll take a couple months for us to finish this, but like I said, it's all being done in your own time. You do it at your own pace with your own amounts and however you want to split it up. Nobody's going to do it the exact same way as everybody else because everybody's income's different. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you are subscribed, make sure you have that bell on so you know when I upload. Comment down below. Give me advice, tips. Tell me my videos are crap. I just interact with everybody. I enjoy talking to people, seeing everybody's comments. I think I'm going to start asking like a question in them and see, like a debate question, like a simple one like, does pineapple go on pizza? Let me know your opinion down below. Share this video with your friends and family so we can continue to grow this amazing budgeting family we've got going on here. Because it's gone up a little bit farther in the last few days, which is amazing, and I'm absolutely grateful. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.